Good morning class 10. Today we will do theorem basic proportionality theorem. In short it is called BPT and the other name of this theorem is Thales theorem. The statement of this theorem is if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now this is the figure of the given theorem. Here ABC is a triangle. A line is drawn parallel to BC. Here DE line is drawn parallel to BC to intersect AB at D and AE at E. And we have to show that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. For proving the theorem, we will do construction. We will draw EN perpendicular on AB and DM perpendicular on AC, and we will join BE and DC. Now for proving the theorem, we will use the concept of areas of the triangle, and we will take the areas of the triangle ADE, DEB, DEC, and we will take the area of the triangle ADE two times. One by taking AD as a base and EN as a perpendicular, and the second time AE as a base and DM as a perpendicular. But the area will be same in both the cases. It doesn't matter how we are finding the area, but the figure is 1, so their areas will be same. Now for this I am taking the ratio of the area of triangle AED and triangle DEB. Area of the triangle AED is equal to 1 by 2 into AD into EN, and the area of the triangle DBE is equal to 1 by 2 into DB into EN. EN is the perpendicular for triangle DEN. Actually the perpendicular is outside the triangle, but EN is the perpendicular for DB base, means for the triangle DBE. Similarly, we will take the ratio of the areas of the triangle ADE and DEC. Now for the proof, I have written area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB, which is equal to 1 by 2 into AD into EN, 1 by 2 into DB into EN. EN cancel out, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So we are with AD by DB here, and I have taken it as equation 1. Similarly, I have taken the ratio of the areas of triangle ADE and triangle DEC. Same 1 by 2 into AE into DM and 1 by 2 into EC into DM. DM to DM cancel out, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here AE by EC. This is we have taken equation 2. Now see from here in the figure, DE given parallel to BC. It is according to the given, and in class 9 we have read about one concept that the two triangles or more than two triangles, if they are on the same base and between the same parallels, then they have the equal areas. Here DBE and DCE both are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. So we can say area of DBE and area of DEC both are equal. So here I have written here DE parallel BC and triangles DBE and DCE are on the same base DE and between the same parallels. So the area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle DEC. Now from I have taken it equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we have our required result, means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. Now this is very important theorem, so you will do it carefully. And another theorem, the second theorem, is the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Now here the statement is if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Now this is the converse of the Thales theorem. So here the given is that in triangle ABC, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. And we have to show that DE line is parallel to BC line. Now we will do it by contradiction method. Let us consider DE is not parallel to BC. And we will take another line DE dash which is parallel to BC. Now if DE dash is parallel to BC, then according to Thales theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. But according to given, AD is by DB is equal to AE by EC. Here I have written the proof of this theorem. I have written given ABC is a triangle and line DE divides side AB and AC in the ratio, same ratio, means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We have to prove that DE parallel BC and assume that DE is not parallel to BC. Let us E dash be any point on AC such that DE dash is parallel to BC. Now by using the Thales theorem, we can conclude that AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. But according to given, it was AD by DB and AE by EC. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From 1 and 2 we can conclude that AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. But it is only possible when both E dash and E are same point. So DE is parallel to BC. So hence proved. Now this is also very important theorem. For today you will do BPT and its converts in your fair notebook.